seeing them all this big.
That was your stomach, brother.
And that was your stomach.
I'm getting hungry.
Yeah, this is the... Ow! What's wrong? It's just my stomach. I probably shouldn't have eaten all that. Yeah, this is the... Ow! What's wrong? It's just my stomach. I probably shouldn't have eaten all that candy. Yeah, this is the... Ow!
What's that growling?
It's just my stomach. I probably shouldn't have eaten.
It's just my stomach telling me it's time for lunch. Good old lunch. It has a nice midday ring to it. Breakfast is...
Yeah, this is the...
It's enough, kids.
What's that growling? It's just my stomach telling me it's time for lunch.
I want more juice.
It has a nice midday ring to it. Breakfast is...
Yummy! More! I want more juice.
What's that growling?
So yummy! More! Enough, kids. Look!
What's that growling? It's just my stomach telling me it's time for lunch.
I want more juice.
It has a nice midday ring to it. Breakfast is...
Yummy! Did your food set well?
You alright?
No. My stomach is acting up really bad.
This is the...
I must have eaten something bad.
Ow!
It wasn't what you ate.
My stomach does not feel good at all. Ugh, I don't think the Indian food set well.
I knew you used my laundry detergent because
Ooh.
I secretly put bleach in it.
You did?
Yep. And I knew the cinnamon bun tasted like toothpaste because, well, that wasn't just
That was your
frosting
stomach,
on top of
brother.
them.
You put
that was your
toothpaste on the
stomach.
cinnamon buns? Why would you do that? How did you...
I don't know.
Getting hungry.
To teach you a lesson, it's not nice to always use someone's stuff without contributing, you know?
No.
And then, especially,
My
to
stomach is
lie to
acting
them
up
about it.
really bad. I think I must have eaten something bad.
Use. It wasn't what you ate. Well, if you had just stayed away from my juice, like I asked, then you wouldn't have drank the
Yeah,
laxative I
this is
put
the-
inside of it.
No, you didn't.
Okay.
No, it
It's
couldn't
just
have been
my
the
stomach.
OJ, because that's
Probably shouldn't have eaten.
that's brand new.
I'm not feeling good.
Actually, I know it was. You see,
I gotta go to the bathroom.
I knew you used my laundry detergent because
It's not sitting too well.
Yeah, this is the... Ow! What's wrong? It's just my stomach. I probably shouldn't have eaten all that.
I knew you used my laundry detergent because
How did you?
I secretly put bleach in it.
Oh, do you guys hear that?
You did?
All right.
No.
And I knew the cinnamon bun
acting up
tasted like
really
toothpaste
bad.
because
I must have eaten something bad.
it wasn't what you ate. It wasn't just frosting on top of them.
You put toothpaste on the cinnamon buns? Ow! Why would you do that?
I don't know.
It's just my stomach.
To teach you a lesson.
OJ.
It's not nice to always use
My
someone's
stomach
stuff
telling
without
me it's
contributing
time for
well.
lunch.
Actually, and then I know
Has
it
a nice
was
midday
to
ring
lie to
to
them about
it.
it.
Breakfast is
I knew you used my laundry
To
detergent
use
because,
the restroom.
well,